Here's another one of the cards that we made at my April card class, and we featured the Simply Sparkling stamp set, and it is absolutely adorable. Look at that soda can. And what we did is just, I designed several different layouts, including this one that's kind of a simple fun fold today. And it's just really, really cute. Once you use the soda and some of the little accessories that go with it, the dies that go with it are also super cute. You'll see that there's some bubble dies in there too, and it's just really, really cute. So I stamped these images with black Memento ink, and then now I'm coloring them in with my Blends alcohol-based markers, which I love for coloring. And then we will layer up the card using the Bright 6x6 Designer Series paper, which is currently on clearance because it's being retired in just a couple days. So we're going to cut these out with the dies, and you're going to see how cute this card turns out. I would love to have you at my next class. I have registration open now on my website. You can go to the events tab at madetocreatewithlisa.com, and it tells you about next month's class and what it features and what the class comes with. It's going to be a really fun one. I do them in person as well as mail them all over the United States. If you are interested in these tutorials for the Simply Sparkling card class, they are available as an instant download in my Made to Create store on my website. You are welcome to hop over there and grab it. And this Simply Sparkling set is one of the online exclusives, and so it's online and available right now. I hope you enjoy this card. It's just a lot of fun. We made a lot of just really bright, cheerful cards this month and had a lot of fun with it. I really enjoyed this set a lot more than I had even anticipated, so it was a great time. Have a wonderful day. I hope you got some great ideas, and I will talk to you again soon.